Exclusively located next to the filling station InntalerLogistikPark, the truck checkpoint on A12 Inntalerautobahn, exit Kufstein Süd. An automated axle and tire check for more safety and to ensure that you do not waste any valuable time and money at the public checkpoints. First, the registration plate is registered. Then, the vehicle passes through the built-in measuring station at a speed of approximately 5 km per hour. While the vehicle passes through, the station automatically checks the axle weight and total weight, as well as the tire pressure and tire tread. This data is instantly displayed to the driver and stored in the database via the connected IT systems for later evaluation. Fast processing provides you with the necessary overview, therefore ensuring higher safety. Of course, the Inntaler Autohof also offers everything else you need for your vehicle. It goes without saying that the truck checkpoint is also suitable for passenger cars. Make use of all the options the truck checkpoints can offer you and perform a quick and easy check of your vehicle at your next stop.